Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about the error invalid template parameter property, and this is the property name which is invalid. So you might see this error when you are trying to create a stack using a cloud formation template. So let me go to the template. So this is my template, and I am having this resource section which is mandatory. I'm trying to create an EC2 instance, a new EC2 instance with these values like the key name. I want to use my existing key pair, so I've added the key name and then ref. So I cannot make a direct reference from here, so I've added it within the parameters. So this is my key pair and this is my key name which I have to pass. So when I ran this JSON file to create a stack using CloudFormation, I was getting this error, invalid template parameter property. Okay, so to fix this issue, the syntax, I have found out the syntax of this parameter is not correct. So I just made some fixes over here, and okay, this is the fixed one. So what did I do is let's talk about the syntax. So this parameters is a object. It will take multiple key values. So the first, I mean, I've just added only one. So this is my key and this is my value. Okay, so this value has to be in a proper format, and these are the only fields which are allowed. So if you remember my old template, the JSON file was having different fields over there, like it had properties and it had the key pair name within the property key name, but that's not correct. It's not the correct way to pass it. So what you need to do, make sure you're passing only three fields: default, type, and description. So default is the optional field. If you don't pass it, you need to put this value while you uh, run this. Okay, so if you put default, the drop down will auto populate based on this type and this name. So it will auto populate the resource over here, I mean when you run the stack. So default, type, and description. So these are the values you can give. If you give any other value, you'll get an error like this: invalid template parameter property key name. So what I did is, after I made the corrections, I ran that script and it was working fine. You can see over here the events, and it started creating and it got created. So okay, and then you can see the resource over here. This is the actual EC2 instance which got created, and you can see the key value pair is also linked over this. So this is my existing key value pair which I was trying to link it to the new instance when I create that using the script. So this is about the error invalid template parameter property. You can get this for any of the CloudFormation template which when you're trying to run and you have an invalid property within the parameter section. So just remember, the parameter section will take multiple key values, and then you can rename, I mean you can name your key as you like, but the values uh, is should be in these keys are the ones you can have, others you cannot. So that's all for this video, guys, and thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thanks again.